It's the whole bloody rudder.
So here we are in the middle of another Tokoroa summer, and I've got Ron with me today. Ron, where are you? There. So you're bathing in the heat, Ron, after the Philippines? You love it?
Yeah.
You love it, mate? It's great, isn't
My
it?
thermals are melting.
Yeah, it's wonderful. I was afraid it was going to be cold today, but no, look, everyone here is all dressed. There's been a bit of nude sunbathing going on, but that's sort of gone by the by now. But yeah, no. Jet meeting, Ron. Jets.
What's that?
Forrestal. See?
Yeah, Forrestal. Yeah, totally.
Sorry, Paul, I might ask you to tighten the brakes up a bit. It's just running.
It's weird how these planes are sort of little jets, eh?
Yeah. Tiny planes.
That's a cool thing. I haven't seen this before.
It's a Sukhoi, I think. A Sukhoi. Sukhoi. Yeah. I think they're must be British. Sounds like a British name to me.
That one's in the west. Still. This is a landing, is it? Oops. 2 landings, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep, perfect. That's lovely. Should have taken those speed bumps off the runway, Ron.
Yeah.
Yep.
Feel like Tim's there.
That scenario.
And here comes the rain. So this will be interesting.
That's one of the problems. Yeah. Put it back in. It's all a plug. I'm not going to fly it until it starts. I still love the shape of the rookie.
And they're too high to disappear.
You got a camera there.
Yeah.
Got some bad rudder flutter on
Yes,
this machine.
dear. Flutter rudder. It's the whole bloody rudder.
This whole, yeah, vertical stab. That was a good save, mate. Whoa. And that's why you test fly them.